guys, it's Gabrielle Baker here and her cousin George. We are on a little nature walk. So enough of hearing me talk, just of what we're doing. You're just gonna see what we're doing. Oops, you broke your stick. Ah, my ankle. Remember which way we turn. Oh God, I'm not very good at directions. Remember, pine tree or clear? Pine. Wait, hold on. First I have to see which ways looks better. I'm gonna go this way, kinda. Cause we don't know where it leads.
That one looks more fun.
Yeah. I think they're trying to find us or follow us or something.
Who?
Kaylee and Hayden.
If they do, they're gonna get lost.
And plus, they don't know which way we actually went.
This looks like a four-wheeler trail.
It does.
Wait. Can you see what's up wood? Never mind. Quiet step. Try to get out of line.
Why quiet steps?
So we don't speak any animals or anything.
Huh?
So we don't speak any animals. Looks like there's a little thing down there.
George, you better know where we're going. Are you sure? Because if I was to get lost, I would rather not get lost with you. Ow. I tripped over rocks. What? Ow! I'm for real, I can't get these shoes dirty. Belinda told me if I get these shoes dirty, I have to hand wash them.
Okay. Let's probably turn around and go back there.
Yeah. Alright, we turned around. We're on our way back to the previous trail. I'm showing you guys the ground, so but if we get lost and I post this video, I know that way we went.
What if your phone's dead?
Might be because it's at 40%.
Hey.
What? Alright, come on, we might as well. We might want to start finding our way back.
Feel that.
Feel it. Ooh, we should find our way back.
There's a lot of those in here.
I'm afraid this is someone's property.
It's not.
It's the clubhouses, isn't it?
No. I was near the clubhouses. But no.
Alright, we're coming back.
You're getting tripped up with. $5 I can touch that wind.
I don't care, and if you do, okay. So,
Get ready to make a right turn.
I know. I kind of remember.
What would happen if I follow behind you and let you lead the way?
And we would probably get lost. I mean, I know my way, kind of, but not all the way. Like, alright, we turned.
Subscribe if you want me in more videos.
Yeah. Subscribe if you want him in more videos.
Oh!
And comment down below what video you want us to do next.
You just like do vlogs.
Yeah, kinda. Just depends on the day.
Thorn tree.
Huh?
Said literally me into the thorn tree.
Sorry. Literally me into a thorn tree.
Do you think these are hiking trails or like game trails?
I think these are like game trails.
What I think too.
What do you think they are?
Same. Hey, you gotta admit that I played good at basketball today.
Yeah, I did.
Key player right here, guys.
I feel like we lost the trail. But it's right here in front of us. You know, so have I, but
I've been following a lot. I'm gonna go with that.
I haven't recorded me falling yet. I doubt we're gonna make this up. We'll be back. Well, how am I supposed to record with one hand and try walking with the other?
I've done it before.
Well, I need help anyway.
Toss it up here.
I'm not tossing my brand new phone.
I'll catch it. Here, pass it off.
Help me. Help me. Good. I'm about ready.